Buyer showing activity is up 28.9% from last year this same time. Buyer activity fell steeply from October 12th to the 20th and has been declining slightly since Friday, October 30th, 2020, and the Halloween weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Average days on the market is down to 26 days before homes went under contract in the past week. There are 932 homes coming soon. This is up from last week's 897. 1,592 went active, priced between $5,000 in Baltimore City to $9,250,000 in Easton. 832 homes went under contract, with a $29,900 home in Westernport to a Potomac home for $3,239,000. 1,316 moved to pending since last week. A Baltimore City row house for $5,000 to a Hurlock home on Suicide Bridge for $1,925,000. 1,832 homes sold last week. A Baltimore County $19,250 to Bethesda's Bradley Hills for $4,487,000. Do you have questions regarding the market or your specific situation? Don't use a fortune teller. Call Kimberly at 443-837-5645 so you'll have all the accurate and real information to make the best decisions for you. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland. That's it for Friday, October 30th, 2020. Enjoy your Halloween weekend, and I'll be here next Friday with what you need to know about the Maryland real estate market.